Hey everybody, today I'm going to answer the question, when is the last date of work for calculating your lien and bond rights? Let's get started. Hi everybody, my name is Alex Barthet with thelienzone.com. Today I'm going to answer a question I get on a pretty regular basis, which is, under the lien law, when is my last date of work? When does the 90 days actually start to run? What I have found is the easiest way to answer this question is actually to tell you when this last date of work isn't. And then we can talk about when it actually is, because the when it is very hard to figure out. But when I start telling you what it isn't, you'll have a better understanding. So let's talk about what this last date of work isn't. It isn't the day you actually pass an inspection. So if you go out to a job site and you do work today, and then a week from now you show up and meet the inspector, and then the inspector looks around, signs off the inspection, your last date of work is not the day the inspection happened, it's actually the last day you did the work. So it's not the actual inspection that matters, it's the work. It's also not punch list work or warranty work. If you go back out to the job site and do some touch-up work, if you're the electrician, you install some faceplates on switches, if you're a painter and you do some last touch-ups, that is not last work under the lien law. Also, warranty work, not last work. So if you show up to the job site because something broke and you decided to fix it, that is not last work under the lien law. So if we talk about what isn't last work, let's talk about what is last work. Last work is work under your contract. It can be base contract work or change order work that is approved, and approved can be a little hazy. Approved usually means that someone authorized you to do the work, ideally in writing, even better if it's a signed change order. But as long as you have this authorization to do work and it's under your contract, the work that you actually do in furtherance of this contract that advances the job is the last work. So let me tell you a little story about a client of mine that installs doors and door hardware, and how you can actually reset your 90 days when you've run out of the last work date. So a client called me and he said, Alex, I think I screwed up. It's been 120 days since I was last out on the job site, and unfortunately I forgot to record my lien. But can you believe it? The contractor has called me and he asked me, he said, why don't you come on out and install this change order door, because we need it to pass the inspection. And I said, well, great, head on out there, get the change order signed, install this $350 door, and guess what? Now you're back in the game. So remember, if your 90 days has run, there may be ways for you to get back in the game by getting new work approved and authorized via change order to reset that 90 days. If you have questions about the lien law and the last date of work, go ahead and send me an email, alex@barthet.com. Make sure to follow us on social media at The Lien Zone. And if you haven't already done it, go ahead and go to the App Store, do a search for The Lien Zone, and download our Calculien app. It'll help you calculate the notice to owner and lien deadlines. See you next time.